Hi, my name's Maia. I'm going into my third year studying health and society, specializing in mental health and addictions. I'm going to take you around a little tour of the McMaster campus today. So let's start with L.R. Wilson Hall. This is the home to the Faculty of Social Sciences, and here you can find the Dean's Office, the Indigenous Study Program, and tons of Sockeye Research Centers and lecture halls. So let's go. So here we have the music studios and a bunch of different study rooms as well down here. This is one of our big lecture halls in LRW, so come on, let's go take a look. Okay, so a lecture hall like this will have a lot of first year introduction courses. I actually had Psych 1 XX3 here, but you'll also have classes in smaller tutorial rooms during your tutorial times. Now that you've seen where you have all your classes, let's go see where you can study for some of these classes. Come with me. Welcome to Mills Memorial Library. This is kind of the main library for humanities and social sciences students. And here we have a ton of study rooms, computer labs, and podcasting studios, as well as a ton of resources for writing papers and doing general research for classes. Let's go take a look around. Now that you've seen Mills, let's head on over to the Student Center for a little bit. All right, so welcome to the McMaster Student Center, also known as Musk. In here we have a ton of places to eat and drink. We have a Starbucks right around the corner, and as you can see, my favorite, the teriyaki experience. We also have upstairs a ton of places to study if you ever don't want to study in the library. There's study rooms upstairs and just a fun little balcony if you want like a vibrant space to do your work. Okay, so now that you've seen Musk, let's head on over to the Arts Quad. Before we do that though, let's head through one of McMaster's famous archways. McMaster is home to a lot of beautiful buildings, and in these archways you might see some people taking their graduation photos, and even one day that might be you. Okay, so right outside of Musk, we have the Arts Quad. It's called the Arts Quad because it's home to a lot of the humanities and social sciences buildings, as well as lecture halls, classrooms, and professor offices. Kenneth Taylor Hall, or KTH, is where you can find the Sockeye Academic Advising Office. Students can come there for any help that they have with academics and any questions. So let's go take a look. Like I mentioned before, this is KTH. It's home to the academic advisors, where you can get help with course planning, degree planning, and as well as careers and experiential education as well. So let's go ahead on inside. And this is my personal favorite part of the office. This is Percy. Come here, girlie. Yeah. Now we're gonna switch over from academics and learn a little bit more about student life and head over to Peter George. This is one of our newer buildings on campus. This is the Peter George Center for Living and Learning, which means that it's not only a classroom center, but also a residence, and happens to be my old residence when I lived on campus. So Peter George is one of the most versatile buildings on campus. It has lecture halls, food, residences, study spaces, and the Student Wellness Center, which is located on the second floor. Let's go check out one of those lecture halls and see what's up. Okay, so now we're in the David Braley Athletic Center, also known as DBAC. This is home to the gym as well as all of the athletic centers. So the gym is my favorite place to go on campus, and my roommates and I always schedule time to go together. You could take classes such as yoga, spin. You can also do your own individual workouts if you want, but it's a great place to come and de-stress after class or before class, whatever you like. And it also happens to be right next door to the Ron Joyce Stadium, which we're gonna go check out next. And finally, this is the Ron Joyce Stadium. Football season here at Mac is so much fun. But anyways, thanks for coming on this tour with me, and welcome to McMaster, and I hope to see you on campus.